We're on the train. We're on the train at the mall. The Independence. So they're running the train just for us. It's the last ride of the night. They're about to close up. All aboard.
This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train.
Toot toot. I'm so excited to be on the train. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Keep the hands inside. I told you to keep the hands inside.
Toot toot.
We're right in the center of the mall, but nobody notices us. Because we're just on the train. More cars. We made a bigger impact walk. I must say. We did a good impact.
Yeah, we did it. We had a good impact. I think we spread some good vibes.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, when you get caught by a security guard and he doesn't hassle you at all, that's good vibes.
And the elves waved back.
The elves waved.
The elves. Over there, the elves.
Well, we expect the elves to be on our side.
Well, the elves are on our side.
The security is cool.
Yeah, security was cool of you.
Yeah.
Just forget that happened,
The
Holmes.
cops have been nice to me, too.
Well, you are a wizard.
Well, no.
That girl said you were a wizard.
Well, that's a floppy hat.
and the cloak.
Gandalf.
The cloak is definitely a wizard vibe.
The Gandalf thing.
The Gandalf thing. Do you think Gandalf gives wizards a good or a bad reputation? I think good. Everyone loves Gandalf, but doesn't it turn out that he's not so,
No, I didn't follow that. My musical partner, Jared, was a wizard.
Oh yeah?
On his
Like a real wizard?
No, World of Warfare wizard.
That's real.
Well, okay, then that's what he was. He wasn't an elf, he was a wizard.
That's a wizard. Well, no. Wizard's a job, not a race. You can be an elf wizard. So cool. This is kind of like in a video game where, like, see, this is where we came in. This is where our car is. We probably could say, hi. Those kids, they just spontaneously waved at us because we're grown-ups on the train. Hey, they have $1 clearance T-shirts over at the Hot Topic there. Oh, hey, and it's open. The little. Oh, the first one's full price. Yeah, of course.
Everybody's hiring.
Everybody's hiring, yeah.
If we want to stop being leisured gentlemen, we can always slave away for a few hours and go stuffing bags.
This is pretty cool. There's that train.
Christmas, I tried working cosplay.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah. You were telling me about that.
It only lasted 3 days, 4 days. I'm so lonely and so sick of it. And nobody would tip me. It was an asshole. So
Yeah, well.
I had to leave.
Of course they want to tip you. It's groceries. Everyone's cheap. When was this?
Oh, I thought this was 68 or 69. I think it was 68.
There's the Dillards. Oh look, they have some. There's that tall perfume girl. So hey, this look, this rack room shoes over here. This shoe department. Apparently, it's that one. They're like a North Carolina chain or something, and there's like a little book. They're like from like Kinston, North Carolina, and they have a book which has the history of their company. It's so cool. I'm gonna show my mom this video. Well, no, she'd be happy to watch it. I'm gonna. If I ever start my Twitch channel, this video is gonna be one of the videos that's on loop. You know, like like when my station is off the air, like instead of going on.
Test pattern.
Well, yeah. Well, I mean, instead of going off the air, this will be like pre-roll with Jim the Wizard. People call him Jim the Wizard, but he's really just a prophet. Cut it with the wizard talk. So there's the claw machine. It's the prize vault.
No fuzzy animals.
No fuzzy animals. Oh, yeah, and these are the hilarious T-shirts. I told my mom about the one that had oh, they have a Sailor Moon shirt. Okay, but it's the Sailor Moon Crystal Sailor Moon, not the original Sailor Moon.
We connoisseurs know.
No, there's traffic. Oh, how classy! They even have the Sinatra version. This is classic. People waving at us and stuff. So be good for goodness sake. Pokemon. I want a Pokemon plushie, I think. And there's it's like a virtual roller coaster. It's only $15 for 2 people to ride the virtual roller coaster. I want to do that sometime. I don't have a girlfriend I can bring.
Sure. Why not have the three-dimensional reality? Walking around.
So that's where we had dinner. We had sushi from the Nickies. Then there's the Sunglass Hut. You have to have a pretzel shop, or otherwise it isn't a mall.
There's no cookie store.
There is a cookie store. Remember, they had the cookie cakes they had a Hanukkah cookie cake. Very, very inclusive.
My team. Yeah, you're on my team.
Yeah, well. Knows when you're away. This is really fun, and there's the Christmas. Santa's on break. Yeah, and they had to this sleigh. They had to rope off his sleigh. Santa doesn't have a throne. He has like a.
Looks like a throne.
Santa has nothing to do with the monarchy.
Wait a second. Santa's got to be at least a nobleman.
No, he's a saint.
He's a saint.
I mean, you can be a nobleman and a saint.
Santa just means holy.
Did you know that they made the Romanov emperors into saints? The Russians made the Romanov emperors into saints because they're like, oh, they were martyrs. They got martyred. So it's almost over. It's almost over. Oh, and there's yeah, the Romanovs were the ones who got killed in the revolution.
Anastasia.
It would have been fun. You should have come on the train with us. Not allowed to. Yeah, that's true. Merry Christmas. The Yankee Candle. This is so fun. See, look, of course there's a cookie store.
A guy who gets off on simple pleasure. Hey. Riding the train at the mall.
Well, I mean,
of course, it's an experience.
You're supposed to enjoy it. We paid we paid, including the hat, we paid $20 for this. You should enjoy it.
Well, you got the hat as a souvenir.
The top toad.
And it's a conversation starter, right? Like,
yeah, it's true. Well, so not only is it a conversation starter, it's a hat. I mean, you can wear it. A conversation starter. If it was like a. So this is the station.
Just to have a conversation.
This is the station.
This hat isn't to protect me. It's to start a conversation.
Well, no.
I look like Gandalf or something. Really. I encourage them. People think I'm a wizard with this hat.
You are a wizard. So here we come back into the station,
Learn how to open
and look, and there's people waiting. I don't think they're gonna run it again.
it. Ooh, they're gonna retire it.
And we gotta wait for the lady to come let us out. That was a lot of fun. Can we get our hand stamped?
You bet.
Thank
What
you.
does that mean?
It's just for fun. It's a little red swirly. It's supposed to be a
Oh, it's
peppermint, but
something-
it
It's
don't show up. So
It's a souvenir.
it's souvenir, yes.
I don't think you'll be able to get to sleep tonight.
Thank y'all.
I had a lot of fun.
Too excited.
My dad drove real trains. And
Oh,
his
yeah?
Dad and his dad's 7 generations of real train engineers.
This is a real train too.
It is a real train. As real as it gets for me.
Well, as real as it gets for a lot of people.
That's the whole point. That's why these cases are from the early 1900s, and I did it, purposely to bring some of the historic part of train stuff.
This train really, whenever I see it, it makes me happy, and it's a
I'm so
very
glad.
important part of the mall.
Well, I appreciate that so much. You let them all know that. 'Cause
I will.
appreciate that.
Merry Christmas. That was nice. That was it was like 10 minutes. And look, they have Clifford the big red dog, and they have a thing.
What?
They got the J.C. Penney's,
I'm still being good. Haven't lit up yet.
massage chairs. Oh, Jim, did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes.
That's fine.
Have fun.
I got my hands stamped.
Yeah. I wonder what those chairs are for. Maybe Santa's going to give people a lecture.
Maybe they'll the kids over.
Yeah. Well, Independence Mall, Wilmington, North Carolina, December 13th, 2022, Tuesday evening.